Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So this video show you one website where we can create a very high quality business listing backlink. So the website name is businesspage.com. So this is a website URL and this is a website dashboard. So I just created business listing backlink on this site, so you can see DML training. This is my website name. So once you guys will create your backlink, then how your backlink should be going to appear on this website dashboard, so you can see. And before the started, we can research something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 77, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 56, and the spam score is only 12%. And according to SimilarWeb, this website having a 25.9k monthly visits and the mostly traffic from Pakistan, India, USA, Bangladesh, Ukraine. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of countries, then most you guys will create your business listing on this site. So now we have completed our research process. So now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so please you can hit the subscribe and like button. So you can see there is add your businesses for free, so you can click on this, and there you can add your company name. So Jobma interview, and you can add your addresses. So this is my address, and there you can add your zip code, your phone number, your email address. Let me go to add this email, and there you guys can add your website URL, and you can search your category. Yeah, so once you guys will complete your all the things, so you can click on the submit button. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. So you can see our business is successfully created. So you guys will click on this so you can upload your business logo. What happened? So let me select and upload again. I guess there are some technical issues because I just created a business listing backlink on this site, so that I able to upload logo. So you can follow the same process so you can upload your business logo. So there is a heading button, so you can click on this and you guys will add your main targeted keyword, the highlighted keyword title, and after that you can see there is email button, so you can click on this and you can add your business email. So it will going to appear on this dashboard. Email is this, so let me add, and you can click on this to submit preview, and after that you can click on the edit description and you guys will add your description. So this is my AI powered virtual interviewing platform. So this is the keyword where I wanting to insert my website URL. So you can click on this and you can click on the hyperlink icon, and you can add your website URL. So you can see there is enter your URL. So you can copy this, and where you guys can replace your website URL, and after that you can click on the submit button. So you guys will see our business is successfully updated, and if I can show you, so you can click on the new tab, and I can show you in home page. You can say this is index page, and you will see this is a job interview. This is the recent listing update. So if you can click on this, and you will see this is your landing page URL, and I can show you in incognito. So you can see this is the instant approved backlink, and I will show you this is a no flow backlink, no worries. But the thing is, we have created a very high quality contextual backlink, business listing backlink on this site, and there is also we have inserted one URL. So this is a process for the business listing on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can going to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, yeah, bye bye and take care.